very happy that we have made substantial progress with the proposed expansion and creation of five-star hotel at Umyam. So what has happened now is that the Lom Pongdeng island, which was previously with Michael's aim, he has agreed to a mutual agreement with the Department of Tourism to relinquish his claim over the land in order to facilitate the creation of this five-star project. So there was a settlement with him, and that island will now form part of the iconic five-star hotel project, which is spent somewhere around 155 crore rupees, and work will commence within the current financial year, and we hope to see that it is completed within a span of 3 years.